Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring the watch is charged and worn. Haptics need contact to register. Once you open the alarm app on the watch, tap Add Alarm to create a new time. Make sure you set AM or PM correctly. Subtle mistakes cause missed alerts. If you prefer creating on the iPhone, open Watch My Watch Alarm and sync. This gets the raw alarm in place so you can next configure vibration intensity and sound options. Once done, tap into the alarm settings and choose sound, then scroll to the bottom for vibration patterns. Select a stronger pattern like prominent if you need a firmer nudge. Use preview to feel it immediately. Make sure haptic strength in setting sounds and haptics is at least medium. Low strength may be too subtle. Also toggle silent mode or cover to mute if you want only haptics, and verify Do Not Disturb schedules won't suppress alarms. Finish by saving the alarm and testing it a minute or two ahead to confirm you feel the haptic pulse. If you don't feel it, make sure wrist detection is enabled and haptic strength isn't set to none. Also confirm Do Not Disturb or theater mode isn't blocking alerts. If problems persist, restart the watch, toggle Bluetooth, or unpair and repair with your iPhone. This often restores default haptic behavior. One quick tip: wear the watch snugly. Loose fit reduces.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.